Hey everyone, in this video what we're going to be doing is basically withdrawing. Okay, I'm going to link another video either before this clip of a video or after. You'll see it at before the video or after the main video, but this is the withdrawing part of everything. So what we're going to do is just pause the camera right now. I'm going to set up my phone so you can see it, and we will be back shortly. Alright guys, so I've got my phone up to the right of the screen, as you can see. Let me just show you on the camera. So there we go. What you can see is what I can see on my phone. So let's just withdraw my funds. Okay, so let's click withdraw. We'll go in for 150. Oh, what happened there? Let's try again, withdraw. 150.86. Let's see how fast it takes for us to get paid. Hang on a sec, let's just refresh this. Not very good at keeping this up. Let me just try that again. Dokily. So I've got this up on here. 150. Confirm. Let this load. Let it come in. There you go, 104.39. So there was a little bit of a fee, but that's okay. That's withdrawal, 150. So yeah, a little bit of a fee, but that's alright guys. Bitcoin goes up and down as well, so sometimes we make it back just from the Bitcoin price going back up. So I'll see you guys in the next video, alright? It'll be about testimonials, so keep an eye out for that, or it might be linked to this video. Okay, bye for now.